Hello everybody, welcome to Flicker Colors. This is Sabha from Suboxy. Today I will be teaching you a set of coaster and a bowl. Before I start, do subscribe to the channel and follow me in Instagram Suboxy, and do go to my profile. The link will be in the description. So let us start. I am using resin from Tina Art and Craft Supplies, the best resin to work with the casting. It's 10:4 ratio. So after mixing resin, I'm dividing it into the cups. The molds I'm using is from Tina Art and Craft Supplies as well. I'm using glitter chunks from Besto Charms. I'm mixing glitter in the resin for the coaster, which will be turning out into the bowl later. You can see how beautifully the glitter is sparkling. You can get them from Besto Charms. And for the second mold, I am adding golden yellow pigment from Fortune Chemi. After mixing it nicely into the resin, so after mixing the golden yellow pigment, I have took a clear resin in another cup, paper cup. I'm adding a Fortune Chemi white color pigment in it. So here I'm pouring the golden yellow resin into the flower mold. Here I'm using a plastic cover into the paper cup to give a flower technique on the yellow mold with our white pigment, which we have mixed already. After twisting, after adding the pigment into the cover, I am giving a shape of a pen or a nib to the edge of the cover and cutting it very little. Since I had cut more in my first cone, so I thought to do it again with the second cover in the same procedure. Here I am pouring it with the help of cone in a flower shape. adding a bit of glitter chunks from Besto Charms in the center of the mold. Adding little bit more veins of flower lines with the help of the silicone cup, which I got it from Tina Art and Craft Supplies. So you can see how easily you can use the cups and give a flower technique. So here I have taught you with the two techniques. One is from the cone and another one is with the silicone cup. So I personally feel the silicone cups works brilliantly rather than cone. So if you want to do this technique, get your silicone cups from Tina Art and Craft Supplies. Adding some more lines with the silicone cup on the border. So let us demold it and see. So as you can see, the flower part which I had poured in a white, it has been disappeared. This has happened because I had poured lot of yellow resin in it. The base was so thick that it didn't show up for the flowers. So lesson to be learned. Now coming up with the glitter coaster, you can see how shiny and bright it is. I'm already loving it. Now let us turn this glitter mold into the bowl. I'm using a ceramic bowl to shape it up. So this is the idea where I'll be making one bowl and a coaster as a set. I'm compressing it into the other bowl on it to give a pressure on it. So to get the good shape, I am I'm putting bubbles on the top of the ceramic bowl to give pressure on my coaster, which I am turning it into the bowl. So you can see how beautiful this coaster and bowl set has turned up. I hope you loved it as much as I am doing it. So for more such videos, such creations, do subscribe to the channel and also go to my Insta account. It's in the below description. So thank you. Thanks for watching. This is Sabah signing off.